Welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. It's been 9 weeks since we took a check-in on the Louisiana swamp worms. Do that real quick. I did feed some pumpkin off camera, I believe over here. I had it marked. Let's see what we got. A couple babies. Potworm and a baby worm. Little bitty thing. Alright, so I'm assuming that was born in here. Let's see if we can see any cocoons. All that's left is the pumpkin skin, a few seeds. Worms are looking good. They basically look like a red wiggler. That's too much light. Just looks like a bigger red wiggler. Oh, there's a cocoon right there. So they're doing good. Let's check it. Oh, and Karen from Decon Garden Stuff, she did make a video on the Louisiana swamp worms. So if you hadn't checked out Karen over at Decon Garden Stuff, her link will be in the description. That's where we got these blue worm, or these Louisiana swamp worms, and these blue worms. There's our. That was our mark. Some little piece of cardboard. Okay, so we got some seeds and skin left. See a little baby worm. I lost it. A couple. So let's take a look at these blue worms real quick, and then we'll check out the blue worms that we got from Galen. They got a shimmer to them. See that? A little purple and red. That's these blue worms. They're just kind of scattered out. Have to feed them up. It's been a couple weeks. Been busy with basketball. Kyler's team starting off out good with a 5-0 record. So it's pretty cool. He has a good game. I'll post the highlights on a video. Check out the blue worms from Galen Carter. So there's some skin and some seeds. And I'm gonna guess they're just scattered throughout. Hopefully they haven't escaped. Haven't been finding any on the ground. There's a few. Oh, is that the same kind of worm? Are the blue worms the same that I have? What do you think? I mean, they've got that purple. I think they are. There's a bunch. So, a question I've been asked in the comments is why I don't combine the two. Let me know if you think I should combine them. They are active. So they're doing great as well. Got a bunch of them. I'm gonna look through them for a cocoon and see if we can find a cocoon. Probably be hard with all these cardboard shreds. But that's all we got. Quick little update. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up for me. Leave me a comment. That looks like a cocoon, but I don't think it is.